All of you, good afternoon, children. My name is G. Samla. I am working as per KGBV, Nellore district. This is our solar system. How many planets are there? 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This is third planet is our Earth. Today we will discuss about our Earth lesson, 9th class first lesson. In Sanskrit language, Earth meanings Prithvi, Avani, Dharani. In our Earth is a planet. Sun is a star. What is solar system? Planets, subplanets, asteroids around the sun is called a solar system. So many solar systems together form a galaxy. So many galaxies together form a universe. So we will discuss about our Earth. Introduction. We live on the Earth along with millions of plants, animals and microorganisms. Next one, human beings are arrived on this Earth 1 lakh years ago. Next one, human beings are tried to, of the other animal, human beings are tried to Earth as a we live on the best place in it. So we have tried to constantly ourselves and our surroundings. So we tried to understand our Earth and our activities so that we can live it. Earth is a storehouses of resources. So many resources in our Earth. So we use our resources. We can exploit our resources using it. Next one, our reckless of exploitation of destruction on the forest and rivers, hills and other etc. use our Earth. Next one, we human beings are living along with our Earth is so many resources here. So the reckless of exploitation in this called environmental crisis like global warming and poisoning of hills and air and water. In 6th to 8th classes, 6th to 8th classes, you had studied about people, diverse people living different kinds of lands, different times, how they used the forest and air and water. Next one, this chapter is, we will study about we will use next one, Earth is a large interconnected. Next one, already we have studied about 8th class, our seasons, Earth from the sun. Next one, our forests, our minerals. These chapters are we had already studied. Next one, our universe. Our universe, the sun and the earth. Our universe, what is universe? So many galaxies together form a universe. The sun is a star. The earth is a planet. So, we studied about this universe, sun and earth. So many solar systems together form a galaxy. So many galaxies together form a galaxy. So many solar systems together form a galaxy. So many galaxies are together form a universe. So this is pale blue dot. All human history started in the blue dot. Carl Sagan is a scientist. He said that all human history started in the blue dot. So this photo is taken from space. Next one. In the summer months, we prefer to sleep on the terrace or open air. We studied about, if you are looking into the sky, what are the objects in our sky? Star, moon, etc. We see also most of the sun in the sky. So, our universe, sun and the earth. Sun and the earth in our part of universe. Next one. So many people studies the objects very carefully, note down the points, how to move, how to work, and note down a figure. These are the working from. Next one, initially people thought that earth is a middle and remaining stationary around it. So next one, our 500 years ago, new scientists came up with new understanding. Sun is not in the, earth is not in the middle. Earth is not in the middle. Only actually around it. So, next one, what is the galaxy? So many stars, group of stars is called galaxy. Next, our universe, sun and the earth. In our earth is a planet, sun is a star. Our universe, so many galaxies there. Next one. The human beings are very trying to understand these objects, and several spaceships sent into the sky. Several spaceships sent into the universe. Human beings are landed on the moon. So many changes our earth. Next one is earth as Earth as a planetary body. So, rotation, revolution. What is rotation? It rotates on its own axis. This is called axis. This is called axis. Earth rotates on own axis. This is called rotation. This is earth. This is earth. This is sun. Earth rotates on its own axis and around the sun. This is revolution. This is revolution. Rotation time is 24 hours. Revolution time is 360 1/4 days. This is revolution. Earth around the sun on its own axis. This is called a rotation. This is a axis. Next one, Earth is a rotation on the own axis and around the sun. This is a orbit. This is a orbit. Next one, Earth nearest point and closest point and farthest point. Sometimes is close, sometimes is far. Next one, closest point in 147 million kilometers. Farthest point 152 million kilometers. What is rotation? What is revolution? Earth rotates on its. This is called rotation. This time is taken 24 hours. Earth rotates on its own axis and around the sun. This is called revolution. This time is 360 1/4 days. Closest point 147 million kilometers. Farthest point 152 million kilometers. Earth around the sun. One time take off time 1,07,200 kilometers. Earth as a planetary body. Earth as a planetary body. The evolution of the earth. Evolution of the earth. Scientists are still debating how the earth was formed. Most scientists are of the view that the earth to form around 450 billions ago. 450 billions ago. It began as a ball of swirling to dust and clouds, swirling dust and clouds, and passed through a molten stage. Through a molten stage. At that time, the earth was very hot and was constantly bombarded by massive rocks and other materials from this space. In this way, the earth was the earth was bombarded by massive rocks and other materials. The space, the earth was so hot that it was molten. Next one, we will boil a thick soup. We will boil a thick soup containing many substances. You may observe that lighter particles come to the top. Heaviest particles go to the bottom. Lighter particles come to the top and cool the form of a earth crust. Next one, heaviest particles go to the bottom. This formed a molten, a part of the core. So the evolution of the earth. Next one, similarly, so many gases in the atmosphere and the atmosphere of the earth consists of different kinds of the gases in the atmosphere. Next one, the atmosphere, the most of the gases were such that life as we eat today are not have survived on it. It took a long time for the air we breathe to develop it. Took a long time for the air we breathe, it develops. So many after long time, oxygen was found on our earth. Next one is the perhaps one of the long span of Earth's history, the planet Earth remaining barren and lifeless, they opened in the oceans. Next one, this is the internal structure of the earth. The earth is made up of three main layers. One is crust, second one is mantle, third one is core. Core is divided into two parts, outer core, inner core. These are the internal structure of the earth. Internal structure of the earth is made up of three main layers. First one is crust, second one is mantle, third one is core. Core is divided into two parts, outer core, inner core. The earth is made up of three main layers. First one is crust, the outer part of the earth on which we live is called the crust. This layer mostly consists of various different kinds of rocks. This layer goes up to a depth of 30 to 100 kilometers. Mantle, second one is mantle. The upper part of the mantle is a pliable layer over which the floats. The layer consists mainly of chemicals called silicates. It is 100 to 2900 kilometers in thickness. Third one is core. While the earth was boiling in a molten form, the heaviest substance formed core. It is composed of dense and heavy substances like iron and nickel. The core is 2900 to 6376 kilometers in thickness. Next one, it can be divided into two sublayers, outer core, inner core. Iron compounds and heavy substances like gold 2900 kilometers to 5100 kilometers in the thickness. Inner core, the solid inner core is made up of iron compounds and heavy substances like gold 5100 to 6376 kilometers in thickness. So the internal structure of our earth. Next one is so many keywords in our earth. Some keywords meanings in the class. Some keywords meanings we know. We know in some keywords. Global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is the rise in the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans. Environmental crisis. Environmental crisis. Global warming and poisoning our soils, water and air. Next one, Big Bang. A single large explosion that created the universe. Next one, Pangea. This is a Greek word. In Greek, whole of the continent. The massive supercontinent that existed 220 millions ago. Take this sea, a long shallow inland sea that separated the blocks Laurentia and Gondwana land. Solar system. The solar system is made up of all the planets and orbit our sun. Laurentia, the breakup of part of the Pangea that consists of present North America, Greenland and all of Eurasia, north of Indian subcontinent. Next one, Gondwana land. The breakup part of the Pangea that consists of present South America, Africa, Madagascar, India, Arabia, Malaysia, East Indies, Australia and Antarctica. So some keywords are, we know these students. Next one is, once upon a time, 220 million ago, the whole supercontinent, this is Pangaea. This is Pangaea. This part is Laurentia. This part is Gondwana. In middle part is Tethys Sea. Tethys Sea. Tethys Sea divided in two blocks, Laurentia and Gondwana. This is formed 220 millions ago. And next one, Alfred Wegener is introduced the theory of continental shelf. Next one, our Earth is an important planet in our solar system, star, our Earth, universe, a planetary body, evolution of our Earth. Next one, the planetary of body. Next one is, our Earth is a resources of, so many resources in our Earth. Next one is introduction part of our Earth. We live on this Earth along with millions of animals, plants and with microorganisms. Next, human beings arrived on this Earth about 1 lakh years ago. We have been trying to this. Earth is a made up of, we live on this better place in it. Next one, we will try to constantly try to understand ourselves and our surroundings. Next one, we have been trying constantly our Earth and our surroundings. Next one, so that we live in on it, the exploration of our Earth. Our reckless of exploitation of on the Earth has made the environmental crisis like global warming and next poisoning of our soils and our oceans. Next one is our only single continent. Humans are living in the only our Earth. Next one is, we live on this Earth so many years ago. Last one is our Earth begins to our universe started 13.7 billion years ago. Next one, what is rotation? Earth rotates on its own axis. This is called rotation. This is axis. Earth rotates on its own axis and around the sun. This is called a revolution. This is called a rotation. This time is 24 hours. This revolution time is 361/4 days. Most of the scientists are observing the objects in our sky, note down the points, how to move how to move and make it. So many people, initially so many people, Earth is in center, in remaining stationary around it. After 500 years ago, some new scientists came up with a new understanding. Earth is not a middle. So many changes in we live on the earth. Scientists are still debating how our earth, most scientists are, they view that the form around 4.5 billion years ago. The earth has reached its present form through the several phases. It began as a ball of swirling dust and clouds and passed through a molten stage. Molten stage means this is a water part. At that time, the earth was very hot and was constantly bombarded by massive rocks and other materials from the space. The earth was so hot. Next one, you may observe that the thickness of soup is observed that the heavier particles go to the bottom. Lighter particles is come to the top. Lighter particles come up with a top and form the earth crust and form a earth crust. Heavier substance is going bottom. This is a form of molten and core. As the Earth's interior continued to cool, it contracted and the outer crust twinkled, forming ridges. Ridges means mountains and basins. Next one is the atmosphere of the earth consisted. Wrinkle forming which became the ocean later. The atmosphere of the earth consisted of different kinds of gases including water, vapor. Next one, most of the gases were such that life as we today would not have survived in it. Next one is it did not have oxygen formed any long time. So many long time after the formed the oxygen. The rain filled the great basins. On the earth crust with water. The oceans were formed. Perhaps on half of the long span of Earth's history, the planet Earth appeared in the oceans. It slowly evolved into diverse plants and animals, including human beings, over millions of years. In the open place, in summer months, we sleep on the terrace and open air. We observe some objects in our sky. Looking into the sky, some objects are observed. So, some of the moon and stars. Most of the moon is observed. We see the moon. Most of the observed. Next one. What is universe? So many galaxies together form a universe. What is galaxy? So many stars, a group of called is a galaxy. Next one, a Pangea. A whole part is divided into two parts. that is Pangea, Laurentia, Gondwana. Next one, the Gondwana land, make up a part of the Pangea. They consist of present South America, Africa, Madagascar, India, Arabia, Malaysia, East Indies, Australia and Antarctica. Next one, Laurentia. The breakup part of the Pangea that consists of present North America, Greenland and all the Eurasia, north of Indian subcontinent. Tethys Sea. Tethys Sea is the two blocks are divided into Tethys Sea. One is Laurentia, second one is Gondwana. So Big Bang. What is Big Bang? Big Bang is a large explosion that created the universe 13.7 billions ago. Environmental crisis. Environment, our reckless of exploitation our earth has made our environmental crisis. So many resources of our earth. Next one, solar system. Solar system is made up of all the planets that orbit our sun. So many changes our earth today. We live in the present earth. So many changes. Next one, in this part, internal structure of the earth. First one is crust, second one is mantle, third one is core. Crust is the 1% of the earth. 1% of the earth. Mantle is the 16% of the earth. Remaining 83% core. The outer part of earth is, which we live, is called crust. This layer mostly consists of various kinds of rocks. This layer goes up to a depth of 30 to 100 kilometers. Mountain, second one is mountain. The upper part of the mountain is a pliable layer over which the crust floats. The layer consists mainly of chemicals called silicates. It is 100 to 2900 kilometers in thickness. Core. While the earth was boiling in, a mountain from the heaviest substance formed the core. It is composed of dense and heavy substances like iron and nickel. The core is 2900 to 6376 kilometers in thickness. Next one, it can be divided into two sublayers. Outer core, iron compounds and heavy substances like gold, 2900 to 5100 kilometers in thickness. Inner core, the solid inner core is made up of iron compounds and heavy substances like gold, 5100 to 6376 kilometers in thickness. Next one is a planetary body. Earth is a planet. Sun is a star. Earth, Sun are one part of our universe. Universe started in 13.7 billion years ago. We live on this earth along with millions of plants, animals and microorganisms. Humans are arrived on this earth about 1 lakh years ago. Human beings have tried to make the earth the best place living. Next one, we have tried to consist of ourselves and our surroundings. We have been understand our earth, our activities, and so that we can live in it. Earth as a storehouses of resource. Earth as a storehouses of resources. So, our reckless of exploitation of our earth has here our earth and exploitation of our environmental crisis like global warming and poisoning of air, earth and air. So many changes in our earth. So this is the whole land. This is called Pangaea. Tethys Sea is middle part. Tethys Sea is divided two blocks, Laurentia, Gondwana. Sun rotation and revolution. What is the effects of rotation and revolution? What is the effects of rotation and revolution? Day and nights are formed in rotation. Seasons are formed revolution. Seasons are formed revolution. Day and nights are formed rotation. So the timing is rotation is 24 hours. Revolution is 360 1/4 days. Our universe, our sun, our earth. In this class, we cover what is the internal structure of our earth. What is the internal structure of our earth? How was formed our earth? How was formed our earth? What is the internal structure of earth? Some keywords are explained. These are noted, students. Global warming. Global warming is the rise in the over temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans. Environmental crisis, global warming and poisoning of soils, water and air. The single large exploitation that created the universe. Pangaea, the massive supercontinent that existed 220 million ago. Tethys Sea, a long shallow inland sea that separated the blocks Laurentia and Gondwana land. Solar system. The solar system is made up of all the planets that orbit our sun. Laurentia, the breaker part of the Pangaea that consists of present North America, Greenland and all of Eurasia, North Indian subcontinent. Gondwana land, the breakup of a part of Pangaea that consists of present South America, Africa, Madagascar, India, Arabia, Malaysia, East India, Australia and Antarctica. This is the keyword, some keywords in our earth first lesson. How is formed the earth, our earth. Next one is internal structure of the earth. Crust, mantle, core. Crust is 1% in our earth. Mantle is 16% of earth. Core is 83% our earth. Core is divided into two parts. Outer core, inner core. Outer core, iron compounds and heavy substance like gold and 2900, 5100 kilometers in thickness. Inner core, the solid inner core is made up of iron compounds and heavy substances like gold and 5100 to 6376 kilometers in thickness. Crust, mantle, core. Crust is the outer part, mantle is the upper part, core is the. While the earth was boiling in a molten from the heaviest substance formed the core. It is composed of dense heavy substances like iron and nickel. The core is the 2,900, 6,376 kilometers in thickness. It can be divided into sublayers. So this is the internal structure of the earth. This is keywords. Note down the students. Your assignment was internal structure of the earth. What is the write about the internal structure of the earth. Next one, write down these some keywords in your notebook. So thanking you.